Hi guys, hope mko salama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz M26. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Mm, for the returning subscribers, feel much welcome, and for the new subscribers, welcome home. This is our home, as I told you before, and this is our channel. Me and you, cause it's ours. Nilitengeneza kwa ajili yangu mimi na nyinyi, so feel much welcome. Today I want to vlog just few minutes for us to enjoy. This is just for enjoyment. I'm back from work. It's around 4:30 and I have to go to school and pick my baby. So I want to go and show you where my baby goes to school, where he learns from. So let's go with you. Let's come. So I'm inside my house. I have to get out from my house. Let me close my door. It's raining, as you can see, but I have to go. So let's go together. Let me take my shoes and let us go. It's raining, as you can see, it's raining. Very bad. But we have to go. It's raining. See you on stairs. It's every rainy, but we have to go. Let's go and pick the boy from the school. It's raining, but it is what it is. We have to go to school and pick the boy. Let's go. Today I'm going with you. So let's go. Yeah. We are almost there. It's raining, raining, but we have nothing to do. We are almost there. You can see the school gates from far. We are almost there. So let us go. Yeah. I don't want to disclose the name of the school, so I have to break in slow. Let's go. That is the school. We are there. You can see there's some kids are already taken. The school is in the same compound with church. You can see that's the church and that's the school. So let's go and pick the boy. Me and you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, share and comment all the time. That comment section will make me happy. You can see that's my boy Kami, very clan. That's running. I've already picked the boy from school. We are going back. At least now that the rain is over, we are enjoying our walk. Come, baby. Yeah, we are on our way back home. This is our area, how it looks like. So much happy when watching this video. Yeah, let's go. Kumenyesha sana? Okay, sawa. Yeah, let's go. We are going back home and see what to do there. I just wanted to show you how my evening day was, and it was like that, much rain. Yeah, water everywhere. This is Nairobi. Maji kila mahali. But it is what it is. We have nothing to say, we have nothing to do, just to appreciate and say thank you, Lord, for giving us life, to be alive today. Yeah, that is it. We have some oranges selling there, but we don't need oranges today. We are just walking. We are almost home, but I've decided just to pass by Kibanda to get some veggies. So let's go together. Here we are at Kibanda Man. So let's pick our veggies. We are done. So let's go back home. So we are back home. Let's get in our house. Yeah, almost there. We are back home, and that was how the day was. Welcome back home. Yes, I'm very, very happy today. Just to have you as my friends. There is no steamer. So, acha tumalizie video nje. Liam, come. That is how our day was. How my evening was. I'm just happy and say thank you for everyone to coming back and having a good moment with me. Liam, Mambo, how was your day? Good. Good. Did you miss me? Yeah. Really? Yeah. Did you miss your sister? Yeah. Okay. Shule. That is it for today. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Yes. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your moments. Thank you for your time, for being with me. There is no steamer. We have to end our video there. And may the Almighty Lord bless you all the time and give you money to get bundles or to pay Wi-Fi, to watch more videos. And please, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. That will make me so happy, and make me to do more efforts for when I'm uploading my videos. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your share. May the Lord bless you all. Bye bye. See you another video.